Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialyou.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how do you generate ideas for your blog content, different topics that you can create content about? That's exactly what we're going to talk about inside this video. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. And now let's jump into the demo and I'll share two tools with you that you can use to create tons of ideas for your blog content. And it's actually a question from one of my students who took one of my classes. I shared a lot of resources there using Google Trends, BuzzSumo, but seems like he searched on Google Trends, but he wasn't able to find a lot of topic or content ideas for his food blog. Not sure what type of food blog he has. Maybe he has a vegan food blog or food recipes or whatnot. But let me show you two different tools that you can use to create tons of ideas. All right, the first one is called answerthepublic.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to come here and let's actually just search for vegan food and get questions. Basically, this will give you a lot of questions around this topic. And you can use those questions to create blog content, and not just blog content. Imagine you can create videos, you can create Instagram content, Pinterest, you name it. So look at this, 115 questions. This is awesome. So tons and tons of questions that you have on this topic. So let me actually change from visualization. I'm gonna go to data, and now let's read some of this. These questions. Can vegan food upset your stomach? Great. I'm sure a lot of people may have these questions, so this will give you a lot of ideas. How to market vegan food, how to make vegan food wraps, what are vegan food items. So these are tons of questions. What vegan food has protein? Wow, I want to know that. And the cool thing is you're seeing actually, the reason you're seeing this search number because I have an extension installed, Google Chrome extension. It's called Keyword Everywhere. Because of that, you're seeing that number. But you see, this tool will give you tons of ideas to think about. What vegan food does Starbucks have? Interesting topic. What vegan food to eat, right? So tons and tons of ideas that you can generate for your blog content using this tool. Let's actually go back and let's say I want to search for healthy food tips. Let's see what comes up. And it's going to take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And here we go. So let's look at the data. How to eat healthy food tips. What are healthy food tips? So again, here you go. Healthy food tips for glowing skin. Wow, that's a niche and long tail keyword. That's so cool. This is amazing. Healthy food tips for college students or students. Maybe if your audience is students, then you can use that. Healthy food tips to reduce belly fat. So unlimited ideas basically. All right, let's go to the second tool I want to show you. So this is a site called Quora. So Quora.com. This is basically a Q&A site. If you go there and just search for your topic, you'll find people go to the site if they have questions that they're looking for answers. And based on other people's questions, what they're asking, that gives you a lot of ideas for your blog content. So let's actually go here, and if I search for vegan, different topics, so let's go to vegan recipes. And here you go. What are the best vegan sandwiches? So maybe if you are a local restaurant and you have vegan food, so that's a good topic for you to talk about. How can you make your own vegan protein? Why aren't pigs considered vegan? So you see tons of questions that I love using Quora because if one person is asking a question, that tells me there are other people who may be in the similar situation and they need help with that content. So I go to Quora a lot to get ideas for my own personal content. What are the best vegan recipes? It's just amazing. So let's actually search for food and health. Let's see what's there. Again, tons of topic ideas that you can look at and then use it for your blog. All right, guys, so those were the two resources. Google Trends, BuzzSumo are some other resources that you can look at, but answerthepublic.com is number one, and then Quora.com is number two. So whenever you are stuck and you want to think about more topics or ideas for your blog content, and not just blog content, for your social media posts, for YouTube videos, for your Instagram videos, IGTV videos, you can use these two resources to create or generate more ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.